new earning method in this video again. The link of the website is below on description of this video. I highly recommend to use this link. Let's quickly get to know about website and how it works. Shrink, share and earn. Enter a link below to get started. ADFOCUS URL Shortener. ADFOCUS is a free short URL redirection service with a twist. Get paid for links you share on the internet. You can place links on your website, forums and more. Payments via PayPal, Bitcoin. Earn cash for your visitors. Earn up to $22.50 per 1,000 visits to your short URLs. Generate stats on the fly and breakdown by countries, referrers, and specific dates. We pay out users every month for earnings above $10. Referral Program. Earn 20% of revenue generated by your referrals for life. Let's sign up now. Fill the blanks as traditional. Then join ADFOCUS. Thanks for signing up to ADFOCUS. You may now log in. Important account information and ADFOCUS information has been sent to your email. Please note sometimes our emails get lost in spam. To avoid this, add support at ADFOCUS to your contact list and check your spam box for our emails. If you are still having trouble, please contact us using the link on the homepage. Then here is information for you. You have incomplete account information. Please update your account settings in order to be paid. Go to account settings. Okay, those are my private information, and that's why I made it already and not showing to you. Let's learn about Referral Program quickly and then start earning. Referral Center. The ADFOCUS Referral Program is a great way of making extra money from simply referring other users to join our service. Referring new users to ADFOCUS will give you 20% of the referred users' earnings for life. To get started, simply copy and paste the link above and post to your Twitter, Facebook, your website, or anywhere else you can generate new ADFOCUS users. Thanks for helping us grow. Also, here is your referral information about earnings and etc. Let's look payout rates now. Payout rates. Note: new payout rates will not affect earnings previously earned. Note: CPM is calculated as earnings per 1,000 clicks on your short URLs. ADFOCUS determines payout rates based on the rates advertisers are willing to pay for the interstitial advertisements displayed when visitors click on your shortened URLs. Highest is the biggest observed CPM for any of our publishers. Payout rates are based on that IP address's first visit within the last 24 hours on the ADFOCUS network. First visit pays the most as that is a unique visitor. Current payout rates by country. You can look all of the countries by their payout rates yourself. Let's earn now. Get one of your link, it doesn't matter what link is that. And make short link here. Okay, next step, find some link exchange platforms and paste this link in that platform and make points and share your link. You will get paid a lot of money due to this method. And I want to give you the link one platform to you. You can make surfing in this website. If you made some Bitcoin before, then you are successful, because with using a little amount Bitcoin you will get 30 times more money than your Bitcoin's today's value. It means how much you pay, you get 30 times more profit. Don't worry, I used this process and made success. Don't pay much Bitcoin or much money firstly. If you made income 2 or 3 times, then you can make your own decision how much you want pay and 30 times more than your payment. Sorry for interruption. This is our new financial video. Please give us your support by subscribing to our channel, give likes to our videos and comment your impression and questions. ADFOCUS URL Shortening Restrictions. 1. Do not place ADFOCUS short URLs on any form of traffic exchange, PTC, autosurf website click ring. 2. Do not place or link to ADFOCUS short URLs anywhere that may contain adult material. 3. Do not iframe our short URLs. 4. Do not send users to our short URLs unwillingly outside of the auto overlay script. 5. Do not send pop-up, pop-under, exit pop interstitial traffic to short URLs. 6. Do not send traffic from advertising agencies, advertising networks without consent from ADFOCUS. 7. Do not ask people to click on an ADFOCUS short URL simply to generate you revenue. 8. Do not refer users by incentivizing them to join so they can earn commission from pooled revenue from one or more accounts. 9. Do not create redirect loops with competitor services ADF.ly linkbucks, etc. or through our short URLs to generate revenue. You cannot send traffic from ADF.ly to ADFOCUS, but you can send traffic from ADFOCUS to ADF.ly. 10. Do not spam ADFOCUS short URLs. This includes, but not limited to, forums, chat, comments, blogs. If you are uncertain your activity may be labeled as such, please get our consent first. 11. All links must be clicked on manually by the browsing user. The click cannot be forced or deceitfully implied. If you require using a jump page or redirect, submit a support ticket for approval. 12. Do not spoof referrers, send blank referrers, or falsify referrers. All traffic sources must be verifiable through referrers. 13. Do not cloak referrers. We must be able to verify your traffic source through your referrer. 14. Do not incentivize clicking users referred users with gifts, points, cash. 15. Do not send traffic from anime-related websites. 16. Do not send traffic from JavaScript Flash scripts unless you obtain approval from ADFOCUS. 17. We take abuse and illegal activity very seriously. We have the right to deny payment if legitimate abuse complaints, takedown requests, illegal content are associated with your account. 18. Do not place links on these sites: funnyjunk.com, 9gag.com, snock.org, reddit.com/r/hitsworthturking4, tumblr.com, youtube.com. 19. Do not place or redirect to ADFOCUS links in game server messages of the day mode or in game for any game. Contact us for more information. 20. Do not send traffic from other short URL websites. 21. Do not send traffic from social media: Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, etc. 22. Do not send traffic from instant messaging software: Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, etc. 23. Do not send traffic from mcpeedle.com. Violation of the restrictions above will result in an account ban or red flag warning. Account audits. You can request your account to be audited if you have earned more than $5. You can make this request at any time by opening a support ticket. If you do not request an audit manually, your account will be audited upon request of each payment. If you are found violating these terms and conditions, your account will be banned and all earnings forfeited. If we need more information to determine you are violating these terms and conditions, we will place a red flag warning on your account. Your earnings are forfeited while your account has a red flag. Account red flags warnings. If you see a message about a red flag in your payment history tab, we have suspicion that your account is in violation of our terms and conditions. You have the right to one red flag appeal, and the decision made by ADFOCUS is final. Red flag appeal process. You can appeal a red flag by submitting a support ticket. You are required to send ADFOCUS your traffic source with a live example. If anyone is found or reported breaking any of the rules above or below in the detailed terms and conditions, and/or does not comply with our red flag requests, we will deny your request for account reinstatement. Your warning will remain, and all earnings will be forfeited for that account. In all cases of red flag appeals, ADFOCUS makes a final decision within 14 days. Quality of traffic is the reason we are able to provide premium payout rates. In order to maintain this higher level of quality, we have to be clear and concise what types of traffic we can accept. 1. Acceptance of terms. Each time you use or cause access to this website, you agree to be bound by these terms and conditions, and as amended from time to time with or without notice to you. In addition, if you are using a particular service on or through this website, you will be subject to any rules or guidelines applicable to those services, and they shall be incorporated by reference into these terms of service. 2. Service description. ADFOCUS currently provides users with access to a rich collection of resources, including various communications tools, forums, shopping services, and personalized content. Its network of properties, the service. You also understand and agree that the service may include advertisements and that these advertisements are necessary for ADFOCUS to provide the service. You also understand and agree that the service may include certain communications from ADFOCUS, such as service announcements, administrative messages, and the ADFOCUS newsletter, and that these communications are considered part of ADFOCUS membership, and you will not be able to opt out of receiving them. Unless explicitly stated otherwise, any new features that augment or enhance the current service, including the release of new ADFOCUS properties, shall be subject to the TOS. You understand and agree that the service is provided as is and that ADFOCUS assumes no responsibility for the timeliness, deletion, misdelivery, or failure to store any user communications or personalization settings. 3. Registration. In consideration of your use of the service, you represent that you are of legal age to form a binding contract, are at least 18 years old, and are not a person barred from receiving services under the laws of the United Kingdom or other applicable jurisdiction. You also agree to provide true, accurate, current, and complete information about yourself as prompted by the service's registration form, such information being the registration data, be maintain and promptly update the registration data to keep it true, accurate, current, and complete, and C. Agree to create only one account per person. If you provide any information that is untrue, inaccurate, not current, or incomplete, or ADFOCUS has reasonable grounds to suspect that such information is untrue, inaccurate, not current, or incomplete, ADFOCUS has the right to suspend or terminate your account and refuse any and all current or future use of the service or any portion thereof. 4. Account security. You will receive a password and account designation upon completing the service's registration process. You are responsible for maintaining the confidentiality of the password and account and are fully responsible for all activities that occur under your password or account. You agree to immediately notify ADFOCUS of any unauthorized use of your password or account, or any other breach of security. ADFOCUS cannot and will not be liable for any loss or damage arising from your failure to comply with Section 4. Thanks guys for watching. This was our new financial video, and by the way, subscribe to our channel, give likes and comment your impression and questions. Good luck guys.